Unraveling the grammar knot. Adjectives vs Adverbs. Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of our English language learning series. Today, we're diving deep into the world of adjectives and adverbs. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the difference between these two, but also use them accurately in context. So, buckle up and let's get started. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, usually nouns. They give more information about the quality, quantity, size, color, shape, emotion, and more. For example, in the sentence, "She has a big, fluffy cat," big and fluffy are adjectives describing the cat. Remember, adjectives are used directly before a noun or pronoun they are modifying or after linking verbs like is, are, was, were, etc. For example, the room is quiet, or they are happy. Moving on to adverbs. They are like the superheroes of the grammar world. They can modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Adverbs tell us how, when, where, how much, and with what frequency something happens. For instance, in the sentence, "He runs quickly," quickly, is an adverb telling us how he runs. Likewise, in "She sings very beautifully," very, and beautifully are adverbs, modifying the verb, sings, and the other adverb, beautifully, respectively. Notice how many adverbs end in -ly. That's a good tip to spot adverbs, but beware, not all adverbs end in -ly, and not all words that end in -ly are adverbs. Here's where things get interesting. Context is crucial in determining whether a word is being used as an adjective or an adverb. Let's consider this pair of sentences. "He is a fast driver," versus "he drives fast." In the first sentence, fast is an adjective describing the noun, driver. In the second, fast is an adverb modifying the verb, drives. The meaning of the word, fast, is the same, but its function changes depending on the context. So, when you are unsure if a word is an adjective or adverb, ask yourself, is it modifying a noun, making it an adjective, or is it modifying a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, making it an adverb? And that wraps up our deep dive into adjectives and adverbs. Remember, adjectives describe nouns and pronouns, while adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Always pay attention to the context to understand the function of a word. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video helps you grasp the differences between adjectives and adverbs. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.